Hello folks, this is Jerry at Jerry DIY TV. This is my old computer. This is Dell Alienware R4 ALX. I think this is more than 10 years. I don't know the exactly release of this computer. I want to show you how to disassemble the GPU and put thermal paste on it. And also the CPU, we put the thermal paste in the CPU also. So we need to take off the GPU first. We open it, just pop up here. Yes, and you see it's open here. Voila. You pop up here, then it open, and we remove this cover. Voila. So this is the fan for the CPU, and we can open it to access the graphic cards. This is the actually it's two. I already removed the other one recently because I think there is a problem on it. I think there's a lot of dust. Look, I disassemble it here. This is AMD Radeon 3 gig graphic cards. So we remove this one and disassemble it also. By removing this, we disconnect the power cable here, power supply. Voila. This is two. And I already removed the two screw here, and all we need is to pull it here. Pull it like that. Up. I think it's a bit tight. Voila. So here she is. Look, this Radeon this is Radeon graphic cards AMD. Look. So by removing this is a water cooled. This is a CPU cooler. So we just remove it. There's 4 screw here, and there's a screw there. So we can remove. And this is the power cable. I don't know how can we remove that. So I removed this cable from here. This is the power supply for the cooler, for the fan. So we can remove it. So we can take all the screw. So we can take off our screw. There's a first screw here. Voila. Voila. Here she is. We clean it here. And this is the CPU. Look, CPU. This is the CPU. So we'll move this radiator here from here, because there's a port screw here. So we'll remove this. This is a gaming computer, but it's very old. That's why we need to clean it. I want to upgrade it, but I don't know how. Which the right part? What's the right accessories for this? I'm not a computer technician. That's why I don't know more of the parts of this computer. So I think there is another. Which one? Oh, there's another one here. Voila. So now here she is. And there's another power supply here. Wait, it's a bit difficult. Voila. So here's the power supply. Yes, this is the pan. This is the fan for the CPU. This is the radiator. It's very dirty. We need to clean it. To open this type of GPU, we need to take out the plastic here. This is the plastic cover with some lock on it. So we try. Like I said, this is two, and connected it parallel with this connector for this. Look at this terminal. So let's I think we need to put it like that. Other one. Voila. And the one here. Another one here. Voila. So here she is. This is the fan, and to remove the cover from the bottom, 1 2 3, there's this screw, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 screw. Voila. Look at the dirt. So we need a brush and clean it like that. Oh la la. So we need to take out this CPU bracket here. Voila. Voila. And also we need to remove this screw. I think yes, we need to remove this.
There. And then there is another one here. And another one there.
And then we need to remove this screw adapter here. Voila. Remove it there. And then we can separate it here from this plastic. Voila. Look. This is the CPU of the graphics card. So we need to remove this wire. Voila. So we need to clean this, to remove this thermal paste. Old thermal paste. Imagine more than 10 years without cleaning, without changing the thermal paste. It's also here. Look. Wala. So we need cotton buds and alcohol. But first we put some alcohol on it. Wala.
Gently, clean it with the plastic spatula. And I also within this for this IC.
And we also clean this one.
Wait, it's sticky. Put some alcohol.
So guys, let's put the thermal paste to CPU. Comes with this syringe, spatula, and there is a plastic. This is to put there, not to overflow the thermal paste, I think. Yes.